Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to show you how you can upload YouTube shorts with 60-second music. So let's open YouTube, and here you will see the option of plus sign, and now go to shorts and click. Here you will see the option of 15 second. You just have to click it, and now this is 60 second, and add sound, and you can check any sound and add this. Now I am going to upload this video, and now this video have 60-second music. Now you just have to go done, and this will take some time. Now you just simply have to take this and next, and here you will see the option of titles and visibility and other options. Thanks.